Today's my topic is communicable and non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases spread from one person to another person. They are microorganisms such as virus, bacteria, protozoa, and fungi. These diseases have harmful effects to the body. These diseases spread through air, through contact with contaminated surfaces. Some examples of communicable diseases are coronavirus, cold, measles, and mumps. Non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases do not spread from one person to another person. They are commonly called NCDs. The two common factors of NCDs in human beings are unhealthy lifestyle and aging. Diseases caused due to malnutrition are also non-communicable. For example, goiter and beriberi. The four main types of NCDs are cancer, lung disease, heart disease, and diabetes. Thank you for listening me.
Good evening to all of you. Myself Mahek Devangan from class 5th. Today my topic is communicable and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease. Communicable disease is a disease that is spread in the touch of first person who is ill. Non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease do not spread in the touch of first person. Disease is spread by animals and insects. First, malaria. Malaria is caused by protozoa. Second, rabies. Rabies is caused by bacteria. Third, elephantiasis. Elephantiasis is caused by parasites. Lyme disease. Lyme disease is caused by bacteria. The diseases that we read are communicable disease. The first one, disease of animals and insects spreads are malaria. Its symptom is vomiting, shivering, fever, headache. It is transmitted by mosquitoes. Second one is rabies. The symptoms of the rabies are flu-like symptom, cerebral dysfunction, abnormal behavior. It is transmitted by dogs. Third one is elephantiasis. The symptoms of the elephantiasis are rough, thickened skin, body swelling. It is transmitted by worms. Fourth one disease is Lyme disease. Its symptoms are rash, fatigue, muscles, joint pain. It is transmitted by deer tick. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rajat. I read in class 5th from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangan. Today's my topic is communicable and non-communicable diseases. Now I am explaining airborne diseases. First, tuberculosis. The symptoms of tuberculosis is cough that lasts 3 weeks, pain in chest, coughing up blood, weight loss. It is caused by bacteria. Second, common cold. The symptoms of common cold are sneezing, headache, clogged or running nose, and sore throat. It is caused by virus. Third, pneumonia. The symptoms of pneumonia are chest pain due to coughing, difficulty in breathing, and high fever. It is caused by bacteria. Third, flu. The symptoms of flu are sneezing, headache, blocked or running nose, and sore throat. It is caused by virus. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sarshri from class 5, Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangan. Now I am presenting topic communicable diseases and waterborne diseases. Disease is spreading by one person to another person is called communicable disease. Communicable disease caused by bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa. Communicable disease is spreading by two ways. First, direct contact. Second, indirect contact. Now, direct contact type. Person to person, mother to baby, droplet spread. Now, indirect contact type. Waterborne, airborne, insect bite. Now, I am presenting waterborne disease. First, waterborne disease, cholera. The symptom of cholera: severe diarrhea, vomiting, dehydration, stomach ache. It caused by bacteria. Next, waterborne disease, dysentery. The symptom of dysentery: loose motion with blood. It caused by bacteria. Next, waterborne disease, typhoid. The symptom of typhoid: high fever, diarrhea, loss of appetite. It caused by bacteria. Next, waterborne disease, hepatitis. The symptom of hepatitis: loss of appetite, giddiness and jaundice. It caused by virus. All waterborne disease caused by polluted and contaminated water. Now, prevention: we should drink boiled water. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
To all, my name is Aradhya Jaiswal. I study in class 5 from Una Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today I present diseases. There are two types of diseases. First, communicable disease. Second, non-communicable disease. Let's see about communicable disease. Communicable diseases are spread one person to another. For example, COVID-19, dengue, flu, dysentery, AIDS. First, COVID-19. Symptoms of COVID-19 are high fever, common cold, difficulty in breathing, AIDS caused by virus. Second, dengue. Symptoms of dengue are high fever, muscle joint pain. Dengue is caused by virus. Third, flu. Symptoms of flu are sore throat. Flu is caused by virus. Fourth, dysentery. Symptoms of dysentery are loose motion with blood. Dysentery is caused by bacteria. Let's see about non-communicable disease. Non-communicable diseases are not spread. For example, heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and lung diseases. First, heart disease. Symptoms of heart disease are chest pain. Heart disease is caused by cholesterol and sometimes hereditary. Second, lung diseases. Symptoms of lung diseases are cough, shortness of breathing. Lung diseases are caused by smoking. Thank you for listening me.